Nasty-ass worm takes 4 years to burrow through man's brain. This is Spirometra erinaceieuropaei, a tiny parasitic tapeworm native to Asia that can infect humans, causing a condition known as Sparganosis. Disgusting little creature, isn't it? Drink some dirty water, eat a raw frog, or get too close to your cat or dog, and you too could soon be host to one of these little suckers. Once inside you, our friend, let's call him Spiro, will migrate to the tissue or muscle in your chest, abdominal wall, scrotum, or even your eyes or your brain. Which is exactly what happened to an unnamed patient in the UK, who first visited doctors at St Thomas's Hospital in London in 2008, complaining of headaches, seizures, memory loss, and a change in his sense of smell. An MRI scan turned up a strange lesion on his brain, which was even more baffling as it kept moving. After testing the man for numerous diseases, they eventually discovered the real cause of the man's discomfort: our little tapeworm friend Spiro. Fortunately, once diagnosed, Spiro was quickly killed by a course of drugs and the patient made a full recovery. But don't worry, there have only been 300 cases of the brain-touring worm diagnosed worldwide since 1953, and this was the first in the UK. Comforting news now, isn't it?
Did you miss a teacher sex story? Visit the Nasty or Nice section on TomoNews.net.